What makes some medicinal plants particularly effective in managing diabetes?
Most of the research that is done here in the Center for Research on Medicinal Plant and Traditional Medicine is based on type 2 diabetes, the case in which insulin is well produced, but the body does not recognize the insulin. And what is insulin? Insulin is a hormone that stimulates the absorption of glucose, or you call it blood sugar, into the cells where metabolism takes place. So we do research with medicinal plants to see how we can either provide for the shortcoming of the body to recognize insulin, or by inhibiting the digestion process for the production of glucose. So if I must take you from the beginning, I want to say digestion, when you eat food, carbohydrate-rich food, when you eat, it is broken down by some enzymes, basically alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase. So when they break down this food, carbohydrate, the end is glucose that they produce. This glucose has to be absorbed into the bloodstream or the blood system. When it is absorbed into the bloodstream, then the insulin now stimulates the absorption into the cells, because the use of this glucose is in the cells of the organs, like the liver, the heart, the muscles. So when it gets there, then it is being used. So if insulin is not functional, this glucose does what? It remains in the bloodstream, and the blood becomes thick, or we say turbid. So it is not fluid, and it makes it difficult for blood now to flow into the tissues, and it can lead to a complications in the body, which are manifold. So plants have a role. First, the plants, we call them medicinal plants, they have what we call bioactive components. These bioactive components, we identify them through phytochemical screening. So when we do phytochemical screening, we identify compounds like alkaloids, flavonoids, sterols, glucosides, and many others. And these components have been identified to have a role in either stimulating the recognition of insulin by the body, or by inhibiting some enzymes that are involved in the digestive system. So yes, medicinal plants can actually play a role in the management of diabetes.